we are going to install a GPS tracking device in our Scooty. This is Hero Pleasure Plus 110cc Scooty. Here comes the device. The model name is EV02. With this we got this Airtel SIM also, which will be inserted into the device. The device will be attached with the Scooty's battery. The technician is fixing the wires. Meanwhile, I have installed the Traq app on my mobile. This is the mobile view of the app. Here we can see India's map and my Scooty's location, and I can also check date-wise, time-wise data here. Traq is available for PC also. This is the desktop view. That's all for today. I hope the video was useful. So like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.